Mystery Science. Are magic potions real? Lesson assessment. Number 1. Maria learned in school that she can make a dull penny shiny again with vinegar and salt. Maria thought this was fun and it gave her an idea for a new experiment. Maria is from Spain and she has a coin from there called a 1 euro cent. Maria's 1 euro cent looks a lot like the dull brown pennies from her class. She was curious if she could do some new things with her euro cent. Before she did any experiments on her dull brown 1 euro cent, she asked her teacher for a scale. She put the coin on the scale. The scale is shown below. Read the scale. Then shade in the bar graph below with the measurement. Number 2. Now that Maria knew how much the coin weighed, it was time to experiment. She took a small piece of sandpaper and scratched it all over the coin. Dull, brown bits of stuff fell off whenever she scratched the coin. After a few minutes of scratching, the coin became shiny, and there was a small pile of dull, brown bits. She put the coin back on the scale now that it was shiny. It weighed 2.2 grams. Then she put the pile of dull, brown bits on the scale. The pile weighed 0.1 grams. Shade in each bar graph below with her measurements. Number 3, circle true or false for each of the statements below. Use the measurements of Maria's coin to help you choose. True or false? When the sandpaper scratched the coin, it added new, shiny stuff onto the coin. The shiny stuff made the coin heavier. True or false? The little brown bits were probably scratched off of the coin. That's why the weight of the coin went down. True or false? The sandpaper made the coin shiny, but nothing was added to it or scratched off of it. The dull brown bits probably came from the sandpaper instead. Number 4. Maria wanted to know what would happen if she put the pile of dull brown bits into a bag with vinegar and salt. She got a little tub with vinegar and salt in it, and she set it onto a scale to see how much it weighed. Then she dumped the little pile of bits into the tub and watched what happened. Each step is shown below. Here is what she saw. Tub of just vinegar and salt. After adding the pile of dull brown bits, 30 seconds later, 1 minute later. Here are 3 possible explanations for what Maria saw after 1 minute went by. Circle true or false for each option. True or false? After 1 minute, the dull brown bits are no longer visible. They aren't in the tub at all anymore. They're totally gone. That's why the total weight went down, and that's why Maria couldn't see them anymore. True or false? After 1 minute, the dull brown bits broke down into tinier and tinier pieces. Those tiny pieces were too small to see, but they were still in the tub. The weight went up because there were so many teeny tiny pieces. True or false? After 1 minute, the dull brown bits broke down into even smaller little bits. Those little bits were too small to see, but they were still in the tub. Those little bits all add up to the same amount of stuff as it was to start with, though. That's why the total weight stayed the same.